Hi guys, this is part 5, almost halfway there. This TBH video goes to Anapalu. I met you a couple of years ago and you were always there when I was growing up in youth at South Harbour Ward, or is it Stake Ward, I think. And you were in my Czech family, and honestly, I haven't heard you talk. I didn't hear you say one thing on that camp, and to this day I still haven't heard you talk, and it's been like 6 years or something. But we've got the rest of our lives, I guess, to hear each other speak and get to know each other properly. But yeah, hope to see you in the near future. To be honest, queer than Kiki. I don't know. You were there through my high school days, I guess. I don't know if you remember, but I do. One drunken night, I went out with you and the girls, and yeah, it was really cool how you're just all about having fun and just laughing and having a good time, and you have a beautiful family, and yeah, to be honest, Lani Napaku, sorry, I'm really bad with fob names. I'm just grateful to know someone like you, and for your example that you show me. You may not know it, but you're a really good example to me, and I love the fact that you write statuses about when you go to seminary, and it makes me remember seminary and miss it, and soldier on. I'm grateful that the gospel has impacted your life so much, and now you can impact my life, and I guess, you are one of the many people that have helped me change my life around and want to bring my kids back to church, and I just want to thank you for that, and you're a beautiful girl inside and out, you and your sister, and I hope to see you soon. To be honest, Rakim, you are a snob nowadays, but I know you have your reasons, but come on man, grow up. Shit happens, life goes on, but you're really a kickback bloke, really easy to get along with as well, and miss seeing your head around CV and Cabra. You're really good looking, and we hope to see you soon, eh? To be honest, Justine Alta, I'm not sure how to say your last name. We haven't really met yet, but to be honest, I'd like to meet you. You seem like a kickback girl, and when you first Facebooked me, I guess, I like the fact that you were there for your friends, and you're always there for your friends, which really makes you a good person, and we should kick back sometime. And I think that's about it for this video, until I do part 6. Stay here. Thank you. Good night.